I'm Florence. I'm teaching pastry in Le Foodist. I used to be a journalist long time ago. I was covering Southeast Asia politics based in Bangkok. I got tired of civil wars and political affairs, so I decided to make something very different. And I wanted to do something with my culture, and I decided to learn how to be a pastry chef. I'm part of a generation where my mother didn't teach me anything, so I had to go to the culinary school to learn. I was trained in Le Cordon Bleu, a culinary school in Bangkok. I've learned pastry, bakery, French cuisine, and Thai cuisine as well. I noticed that I loved teaching, so I decided to make my own cooking school in Bangkok. And I recently came back to Paris, and I'm teaching now in Le Foodist. Okay. So you're going to mix that as an omelette and remove the extra. Yes? Okay. Okay, here. So you can use your finger, having all the sugar inside. I like transmitting my knowledge. I discovered that cooking is a very secret word. So usually people are not sharing recipes. I decided to share what I know. So I'm very happy when people are experiencing some new things, and that's what's motivating me. Very good. I like every pastry. I tried every pastry. I made a lot of trials to be sure that the recipes were right. So I ate them a lot. Now I'm not tasting them any longer because I just need to see the texture, and I'm happy to see the texture. But I enjoy giving classes of baguette bread, of chocolate soufflé, of macaron. Whatever I'm teaching, I'm happy. What I like in pastry is that everything has to be accurate. You have to be very careful of many details. That's a lot like chemistry, so you see how ingredients are interacting with each other. And with the same ingredients, you can get very different cakes. So that's passionating, I think. I'm very dynamic when I'm teaching, so you will enjoy my style when you are with me. But we're having fun.
No, you did teach me.
It was perfect.
No, tell me the right way.
Macaron.
Oh God.
No, relax. Naka. Oui, oui. Macaron. The macaroon, I don't know what it is.